Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a pot using plaster of Paris. So grab your material, I'll guide you through each step providing helpful tips along the way. Let's jump right into it and make our very own plaster of Paris pot. Let's get started. For this project we need a balloon, here we have plaster of Paris, now we are going to mix some water into it. Mix, mix, mix. Now pour the paste in another bottle. Now roll the balloon for 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see the perfect shape. Use the cutter to make a hole. Now use rigmarole to make its surface smooth. Here we have the perfect shape pot. Now it's time to paint our pot. I'm going to use golden paint. Here we have the final look. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.